Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we're going to talk about the best gain deals this week over at the Dollar General, and my goodness gracious, there's some fire and smoke here because the deals are really fantastic. Not just saying that, I really mean it. Obviously on Saturday the 12th, the biggest savings, but we're going to look at deals before that. Couple rules about these two boosters. Yes, they do stack on Saturday the 12th only, where you will get $10 of savings off of a $30 basket of gain merchandise. Not all markets this works, so if it doesn't, you can use the paper 5 off of 25 that prints throughout the week with the dealio. And really pay attention when you're in the store. Open up the Dollar General app and scan products to ensure that the digital coupon along with the 5 off of 30 are attaching. Secret is in the sauce. Those details will make or break your transactions. Any issues you have where you're paying a lot more or something just does not make sense, don't be shy to void your transaction and all of your digitals will stay on your store card. Now, this is the very interesting thing this week, that when you spend $15 after coupons and store savings, you will get this little coupon on the balance of your receipt that you can turn around and use right away. I believe the 12th is the last day that this guy will be printing, so we will be looking at deals specifically with this because it's quite fantastic. So if you're a newer shopper, I'm going to encourage you to watch this video on how to use the Dollar General app because this is the stack that we're looking for. And so your digital coupon, which is the top, and then the store coupon is the bottom one. That's what we're looking to stack. And yes, these deals do work, but you really have to watch this video to figure out how the app works. The app has changed just a smidge, but it's still the basic thing on how to use the app to scan barcodes to ensure that you're getting the stack. So please check out this video, especially if you're new. Okay, so the first little dealio that we're going to look at is an any day deal. So we're going to grab one of these big mamas for $13.50. That's lots of detergent in that, liquid gold. And then this is the digital coupon that we want loaded, which is the $3. And with this any day deal, we're not getting a $30 basket, so you don't need that other coupon loaded, just to note that. We're also going to grab one of these softeners for $6.95. And then we have a very generous $2 coupon that is attaching with. Okay, here it is, guys, any day deal. So grabbing one of those big mammoths for $13.50, one softener for $6.95. The total is $20.45. We have $5 of digitals coming off, the $3 for the detergent and the $2 for the softener. So you're paying $15.45 out of pocket. Yes, that is a higher out of pocket, but at the bottom of your receipt, you're going to get a $5.01 on your next order. Buy some toilet paper with that. I'm going to show you the toilet paper deal here in a second. $10.93 for the 3 or $3.64 per product. Not too shabby. Okay, so this little friend is printing out of the machine, and it's $5.01 off of your purchase. So you have to buy at least $5.01 of merchandise. It can't be 5 on the nose or it will not scan, but this guy will print. This is an older one too, sorry. But this is what I want you guys to grab if you think this is a good deal. $6 for one of these Angel Soft Ultra toilet papers. They're peppered throughout the store, even at the front. I've been finding them. We have a 50-cent digital coupon, so load this guy. Okay, so one Angel Soft for $6, subtracting that 50-cent digital and the $5.01 receipt coupon. You're paying 49 cents for this toilet paper. So do the gain first and then do this toilet paper deal right after. If you're anything like me, sometimes I lose receipts or I can't find them or I misplace them in my awful wallet. That's a pile of like an endless black hole of doom. So I would use it right away so you don't forget it because it has a very quick expiry date. Okay, so now we're going to talk about Saturday deals. So you got to go Saturday only. These are our two friends that we're using for this deal, which is the 5 off of 30 and the 5 off of 25. This deal is 100% digital as well. We're grabbing this guy for $13.50. So grab one of these little friends. And here is the digital that we need, which is a $3 off. I'm so happy to see this digital coupon back. So you can get this or the Gain Flings, whatever is your preference. The next item that we're going to grab is two of these softeners for $6.95. Now, I had two $2 coupons, and they look identical, which is this one. So I had one earlier in the month, and then one showed up on Sunday. So hopefully you have the exact same ones as I, but it's $2 off a whole bunch of products, but we're going to go with softener. We're also going to grab one of the Gain fireworks for $3.95. They're always really nice for towels and stuff. And then we have a $1 digital coupon that's attaching with. And then we're going to grab this guy for $4.95, just a basic detergent. And then we have a dollar digital coupon that is attaching with. And this is a Saturday only, so definitely use it or lose it. So looking at the math for this one of the larger detergents for $13.50, two of those larger fabric softeners, $6.95 times 2 is $13.90, one Gain Fireworks for $3.95, one Gain detergent for $4.95. The total here is $36.30. As the cashier is scanning all of your stuff, that's when you punch in your phone number. Cashier hits the final pay button. 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 are coming off, along with $9 of digitals that I showed you in the slides previous. You're paying $17.30 out of pocket, not including your tax. And then at the bottom of your receipt, you're going to get a 501 coupon. Go and buy that Angel Soft. So the final price would be $12.78 for the 6, including the Angel Soft, or $2.13 per product. Really good deal. Okay, the next deal that we have is with One Internet Printable. So we need our two best friends loaded, and again, we're going on Saturday the 12th, the 5 off of 20 and the 5 off of 30, so we need these two little best friends loaded to our store card. All digital coupons are also of a one-time use, just to note that in case people are wondering. So we're going to be grabbing two of these massive detergents. So they are $13.50 each. That's $27 on the nose. Remember, open up your Dollar General app, scan, or if you wanted to get one fling and then one of these, you may also do that. So if you go to the site P&G Good Every Day, I would go there on Saturday morning to print this guy out, because the turnaround of when this coupon expires is less than 24 hours. It's a really quick one. So print one of these out from that site, P&G Good Every Day. We also need one digital, which is this $3 off. So make sure that you have it loaded. Now, the final product that we're going to grab is one of the fabric softeners for $6.95. So this little friend right here. Let's grab it for this little dealio. And then we have a $2 digital that we need to load for him. And there it is. And I had two of these, so hopefully you have the same ones as I, because I haven't been buying Gain in the last couple of weeks. Looking at the math for this, two of the Gain detergents, the larger ones, at $13.50 a pop, that's $27. One Gain fabric softener for $6.95. The total here is $33.95. So as the cashier is scanning your stuff, that's when you punch in your phone number. As the cashier scans the last item, you present that $3 internet printable. Hopefully they'll accept internet printables at your location. You would know that best. Cashier hits the final pay button. 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 are coming off, along with $5 of digital manufacturers, a 3 and a 2, that's 5. So you're paying $15.95 out of pocket, plus your tax, and then you're getting back a 501 on your next order. Buy that Angel Soft. So the final price point, including the Angel Soft, is $11.43 for the 4 items, or $2.85 each. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.